and working, Jackie. This combination of 8 essential amino acids gives your body the building blocks to make all the protein it needs so you can feel fitter, stronger, and younger. Build new and stronger muscle. The average person loses 30% of their muscle mass by the time they're 70. But it doesn't have to happen to you. That's because research has shown that you can reverse muscle loss and strengthen your muscle by taking Advanced Amino Formula. Post-workout recovery. With Advanced Amino Formula, you can recover from workouts faster and build new and stronger muscle. Advanced Amino Formula also provides the critical amino acids that help your body generate and repair damaged ligaments. Amino energy and performance. Your cells need the right balance of all 8 essential amino acids to maintain strength and stamina. That's why Advanced Amino Formula is so effective at improving your energy and performance. It works even for people who suffer from severe fatigue and exhaustion. How Advanced Amino Formula stacks up to other protein sources. What % of these foods' amino acids does your body actually convert into protein? How does Advanced Amino Formula compare to whey protein drinks? Research shows that most of the protein in whey powder does not build muscle. Scientists have found that whey is one of the worst sources of protein. 83% of the protein in whey protein powder is turned into sugar in the body. How does Advanced Amino Formula compare to BCAAs? BCAA, branched chain amino acid, powders only contain 3 essential amino acids. This means the body is missing 5 of the building blocks it needs to build muscle. On the other hand, Advanced Amino Formula contains the exact right balance of all 8 essential amino acids. Maintain a balanced weight. Improve your endurance. Support better mental concentration and better mood. Get younger looking skin and hair. Prevent injuries. Help alleviate food sensitivity symptoms. Key ingredients. A unique blend of the 8 essential amino acids designed to be efficiently used by the body, producing very little waste. Click image to enlarge. Customer testimonials. Improved energy. It feels like my muscles are waking up and working. Also improved digestion, weight loss, and reduced premenopausal symptoms. Jackie. About Dr. Frank Schallenberger. Dr. Frank Schallenberger is the editor-in-chief of Second Opinion newsletter and Second Opinion Health Alert. Dr. Schallenberger earned his medical degree from the University of Maryland School of Medicine and received his postgraduate training at MT Zion Hospital in San Francisco. Dr. Schallenberger is board certified by the American Board of Anti-Aging Medicine and has been practicing medicine for over 44 years. 100% satisfaction down to the last pill money-back guarantee. I know how effective Advanced Amino Formula is. And I stand by this amazing formula. In fact, I guarantee Advanced Amino Formula in 2 ways. You will see an improvement in your strength and overall well-being in the first few months. Guaranteed or your money back. You will continue to see dramatic improvements. That's because Advanced Amino Formula works for the long term. If you don't see any improvement in the first few months, or if you are not satisfied with Advanced Amino Formula for any reason whatsoever, simply return the empty bottles within 90 days for a full refund of every penny you paid, including shipping and handling. You only pay return shipping. No questions asked, no fine print. Either you're absolutely thrilled with the results you get, or you pay nothing. Order now. Frequently asked questions. What's the difference between Advanced Amino Formula and other amino products? Does Advanced Amino Formula contain any allergens or GMOs? Why does Advanced Amino Formula contain only 8 of the 9 essential amino acids, omitting histidine? Is Advanced Amino Formula a good post-workout recovery supplement? How can I know for sure that Advanced Amino Formula will work for me? $35.95/bottle. Every purchase is protected by our ABN trademark 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you are unsatisfied for any reason, return it within 90 days for a full refund. You only pay return shipping. Advanced Amino Formula Reviews. 3048 reviews, 4.1 average rating, 81% recommend this supplement. Support for weight training *. I've been experimenting with training regimens including supplements for 40 years. It's often difficult to assess functions of different supplements unless you make only one change at a time and then stick with that formula for months. Even then can be difficult to tell. With the Advanced Amino Formula I noticed immediate consistency in strength across weeks of workouts. Also noticeable muscle mass and definition gain with seemingly less effort. The real deal *. Bye. Hi there, I am 54 years old, still competing in the off-road racing world on two wheels. Needed a little boost in strength and endurance, so I started looking around. I found this product and gave it a try. At first I was not sure if I found the right supplement, even started to send it back. Well, I gave it another try. The results started showing almost immediately, not really after a workout as much as a session on the bike. I felt like my muscles weren't getting smoked after 30 to 45 minutes ripping through a single track course, and after my muscles weren't as sore as usual. Been taking for 6 months now, and with good eating, not perfect, but better eating habits and some endurance workouts, I'm 30 pounds leaner and probably in the best shape of my life. About to order my next 6 months worth. Improved strength and muscle definition *. Since I began Advanced Amino Formula I am stronger and have noticed bigger and more defined muscles, especially biceps and triceps. Improvement in being 81 *. Bye. I take the Advanced Amino Formula every morning and proceed to exercise, starting with my ZAAZ at higher speeds for the longer times, then push-ups and more. I feel my skin in improving, my muscle structure and strength. Love it. *. Started March 2025. I should be on your payroll for how excited I am and how many times I'm sharing with friends. Of course, people who use Advanced Amino should remember what they used to be able to achieve compared to after using AA, as directed, or a couple months. Whereas I normally used 3 pounds weights, now I can easily use 10 pounds for many exercises. 15 each hand for farmer carry. I'm M68 and have had cancer twice and open heart surgery. Thank you. Highly recommend *. Bye. Okay, so I've been taking this formula for 8 years. First it was just the regular formula, now we have the advanced formula, and I can sincerely say that it definitely works. I'm 77 years old and people tell me I don't look a day over 50. My wife of 47 years old was blown away when we met. She was 45 and she couldn't believe me when I told her my real age. She thought I was lying, so before accepting my hand in marriage I had to show her my birth certificate, and everywhere we go I get it all the time. How old are you? And they deniably say no way. So the formula works and everything that is advertised on this product is real, and I highly recommend it. My name is Frank, I welcome you to try it. * Above are actual reviews from our customers. These customers' statements may not reflect the typical purchaser's experience and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. The reviews should not be taken as the results a typical user will get. Your results may vary. Disclaimers. Dr. Frank Schallenberger is compensated by Advanced Bionutritionals for his work in formulating and endorsing this product. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, cure, or prevent a disease. You can order in confidence, knowing that DG Store 24's customer support is here to help you along the way if needed. 2025 Copyright DG Store 24 Incorporated, United States, Inc. and / or its licensors. Review legal notice. Here. Terms of use. Here. And privacy policy. Here. Contact us. Here.